Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz, and we've got a new dashcam in from Amazon called the Peztio dashcam, which is full 1080p. We have got HD video recording, 170 degree wide angle, loop recording, G sensor, and recording on the same as was repeated on the other side. So on the back, 1.5 inch screen, 170 degree wide angle lens, several languages, files format is MOV, H.264 codec audio ACC, standard colour, seamless loop recording, auto power on and off, photo JPEG, photo mode 12 million, carrier media built-in memory 32 megs, expandable by 22, mic support, Wi-Fi support, motion detection, WDR, G sensor, park guard, frequency 50Hz to 60Hz, and USB to disk, and power interface 5 volts 1 amp. Let's have a look. So it comes in a pretty simple package. You get your typical charging cable here, your ashtray to your typical dash cam plug in there, the ticker of them all. Get the dash cam itself. So let's have a look in here. So here is our user manual. There is an app on Android and iOS, and you've got your built-in Wi-Fi, loop record, emergency record, SOS, all your buttons and functions there, which is quite a few, and there's a lot to go through in the menu there, as you can see. So we'll pop that to one side. You get your warranty card and the other normal bits and pieces that you get. Some troubleshooting problems there. You need a class 10 32 gig card, by the way, and of course your app on iOS, and then you have a spare pad here. So here is the camera itself, and that's it there. And you have your lens up on front here, the branding here, your sticker up on top, micro SD card slot on the side, mic, and nothing on top. And on the side here you've got your charging port, reset, and your power. And here is some other buttons here on your menu, navigation keys, and select. And here is the SOS button here, so if you want to record something straight away, you hit that, and that's basically it. And I just want to see something in here. There's nothing in there. So the thing is of note straight away is that, I'm just going to flip that back on, you do not have any movement as such here for placing this. So this is going to have to be fixed and thought out thoroughly, because there's only a small little bit of movement in the actual lens itself there. Not like some of the other dash cams when you have a bit more movement left and right, up and down and so on. This is more so a fixed finish, and it's just something to keep in mind if you're thinking of getting. I'm just going to try and power it on there, if there's any power. If not, plug it in, and you get the Peztio. So what we do is leave that there. So here's our menu here, and it's just gone on to mass storage USB, and that's really about it. And obviously there's nothing in there at the minute. So you have your navigation keys here when it's plugged into the car, and away you go, and you can check all that out. But we'll have a look at that when we're doing our full review to give you an idea of what you're dealing with. Shouldn't be too much difficulty in it. It's all laid out there, and you can see the icons. So you've got recording time, locked files, parking mode, resolution value, mic on and off, SD card slot, charging, current date and time, G sensor on, exposure value, motion detection, loop recording time, standby recording time. And in photo mode you've got exposure, white balance, ISO, SD card again, resolution value, and charging. And that's really it. And then you've got your playback mode, so you've got files, press OK to play, video names, files are locked to resolution, and here it'll give you an idea on how to install. So again, it's something you're going to have to think of if you think about it, just the angle here. So some cards mightn't have the angle required, some will, but you can surely get around that. But that's just a quick first look at the Peztio full 1080p dashcam Wi-Fi on Amazon. Hit us up if you have any questions.